does not replicate in the nucleus, whereas all other DNA viruses replicate in the nucleus. And coming to RNA viruses, they replicate in the cytoplasm, and the exception is ROM, which is retro, orthomyxo, and measles. So yeah, this is regarding replication. And inclusion bodies. Inclusion bodies is an important area where usually questions are asked. So let us learn that. Inclusion bodies will be of cytoplasmic both and nuclear type. Okay, first let us learn about cytoplasmic inclusion bodies. They are Negri bodies, which are seen in rabies, Henderson-Peterson molluscum, and Bollinger bodies in foulpox. So Bollinger bodies in foulpox, remember, like foul ball we say, right? So Bollinger is foulpox. And coming to both, that is both cytoplasmic and nuclear inclusions are two examples, which is measles and CMV, cytomegalovirus. Nuclear is three again. Lipschultz, which is of herpes, Torres body is for yellow fever, and third one is of polio. So these are the examples of inclusion bodies. And there are this Cowdery type A and Cowdery type B is also important to some extent. So examples of Cowdery type A is HAT, that is herpes is Cowdery type A, and Torres is of yellow fever. And then Cowdery type B is adenovirus. So yeah, most viral inclusions are acidic in nature except adenovirus. Since it's an exception, I have written here. And smallpox inclusion bodies are called as Guaneri or Pasteur bodies. So just remember the name. And these are some of the important inclusion bodies. Yeah, and coming to transfection. Transfection means naked nucleic acid infections to the host cell. So all DNA viruses causes the infection via transfection, except, see again the exception has come, so the pox virus. So pox and heparina, all positive stranded RNA except retrovirus. So positive stranded RNA viruses, positive stranded RNA virus except retrovirus. So in the beginning I have told you about the classification of DNA viruses. Now let us learn about the RNA viruses. As such, whole classification is not important, I think. So few important viruses here and there you have to know about. So yeah, RNA viruses, we have learned about non-enveloped, the mnemonic is patch, right? Here comes the enveloped viruses, retrovirus, flavivirus, and toga viridae. So yeah, you can go through this. These are just names of the viruses. You can just go through them and try to remember the important viruses like corona, yellow fever, dengue, KFT, hepatitis C, which comes under flavivirus, and so. So yeah, these are some of the important points of virology. Thank you.